Good girl. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. So I soaked some of her chick starter, so it's a little bit easier for her to put in her little mouth because it's so small. And she seems to be doing just fine. Yeah, she's eating good. My Lucy bird is eating good. Yes, you are. Sweet girl, you're eating so good. Mama's proud of you. Yeah. If you want to know about how big she is, that lid she's eating out of is off of a small baby food jar. She is tiny. The lavender Moran. Lucy bird. Oh, she's off. Where's she going? Are you wanting some mama time? You want some mama time? You want some mama time? Yeah, you want some mama time. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. I'm afraid you'll jump down because you've already been flapping those little wings. Yeah, you have. You've been flapping those little wings. Sweet girl. Want to get back down? Get back down? No? Say no, Mama. I need some kisses. Okay. Don't fall. I'll give you a kiss. There you go. There's your smooch on the head. Oh, you kissing me now? Okay. You gotta figure out how to get all that sugar water off your feathers so you don't look like a little orphan. Whoa, watch out. Whoa, watch out. Whoa, whoa. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Are you okay? Oh, goodness. Who landed? Who landed hard? Goodness. No flying for you yet, little lady. No flying for you yet. Good job. Good job. You've peeped up a little appetite, haven't you? You've peeped up a little appetite. Yes, you have. You smelled Mama making some pizza, and you said, I need to eat some of that. I hear you. Boy, you're having your voice tonight, aren't you? Maybe I should move this a little closer to where your heat source is. How about that? How about that? I know. I see you trying to get on my hand. Oh, goodness. Elevator going up. Elevator going up. Give the people a close-up one more time. You got a piece of shaving stuck on your head, you know. I'll remove it after I turn the video off, okay? Yeah, we'll have a hairdo. A feather do. Tell the people bye-bye. Tell the people bye-bye, Lady Bird. Little Lucy Bird. Say bye-bye.